As a STEM teacher, Workbench was a powerful online platform that was used to create instructional lessons to help manage hands-on learning and coding activities in the classroom. We liked that links to software applications could be added into these activities, and we had the ability to add graphics, videos, and text to explain exactly what our students needed to do. Workbench activities were scaffolded for their instruction. However, it was missing an important piece: assessment. Teachers still had to build their own method of assessing any Workbench activities, so it wasn't an exact fit. And now, Google is shutting down Workbench altogether, and teachers are left to find and build a new method to teach these complex lessons. We needed to find a tool that would allow us to put the lesson, the instructional materials, any links to software, and the assessment all in one platform. Scoutlier is that tool. All web-based activities can be adapted into Scoutlier lessons that will provide instruction and assessment at the same exact time in the same exact place. Scoutlier activities are scaffolded, where links open up in new tabs and all the activities can be edited for teacher users to meet their students' needs. Teachers have many options for how they will assess their students in Scoutlier. Activity questions can include text, images, audio, and video responses, and when teachers move to grading, they have options for how they see their students' work as well. Teachers can look at a single student work in a worksheet format, or in the overview, they can see all of their students' responses to a single question. This makes Scoutlier a strong tool for reteaching difficult concepts. But most importantly, Scoutlier can be used in conjunction with any learning management system or integrated into Google Classroom. So important as we're going into virtual learning. Scoutlier is the most versatile tool for teachers working in the STEM area. By combining resources, instructional materials, and assessments in one easy-to-use platform, teachers can once again confidently build virtual lessons their students can learn from.